Have you ever seen a place so beautiful it feels unreal? A land where every sound, every breeze, every color seems perfectly placed, as if nature itself took its time to get it right. Welcome to Switzerland. Not just a destination, but a feeling that stays with you long after you've gone. Here, mountains don't just stand tall, they speak in silence. Snow-capped peaks pierce the clouds like ancient guardians of peace. For centuries, they've defined the word sublime, a harmony of power and calm, daring you to look away, yet impossible to forget. Our journey begins in the Bernese Oberland, where lakes shimmer turquoise and valleys glow green. Interlaken, a place where adventure meets heaven. Paragliders soar above emerald slopes, and the water mirrors the sky in crystal blue perfection. Follow the valley deeper, and you'll find Lauterbrunnen, a scene straight out of a dream. 72 waterfalls plunge from sheer cliffs, mist floating through wooden chalets and wildflowers. It's more than a valley. It's a fairy tale carved by time and water. Then the world begins to rise. The cogwheel train climbs higher and higher, cutting through clouds and tunnels until the landscape unfolds like a living painting. Below, the valley. Above, the frozen crowns of the Jungfrau, the Eiger, the Monch. This is Switzerland at its most breathtaking, quiet, vast, and eternal. Farther south lies Zermatt, a village frozen in charm, untouched by cars or noise. Here, only the soft hum of electric taxis and the crunch of footsteps on old stone streets fill the air, and towering above them all, the Matterhorn, a perfect pyramid of rock and ice rising alone against the sky. At sunrise, it glows gold. At sunset, it fades to violet. It's not just a mountain, it's the heartbeat of a nation. Leaving the high peaks, we arrive in Lucerne, a city of reflection and rhythm. Walk the chapel bridge, its flowers swaying above the lake. Listen to church bells echo across calm waters. Every painted panel, every timber beam tells a story hundreds of years old. Lucerne is where the soul of old Switzerland still whispers, softly but clearly. And then the cities that balance it all. Zurich, sleek, modern, and full of energy. Trams glide like clockwork, cafes spill over with laughter, and the lake sparkles like glass. A city that proves precision can be beautiful. Then there's Bern, the capital of calm. Under its sandstone arches, life slows to the rhythm of footsteps on cobblestones. The great clock tower marks each hour as it has for centuries, reminding us that time moves, but gently. From the peaks of the Alps to the stillness of its lakes, from the hum of Zurich streets to the hush of mountain air, Switzerland is a masterpiece of balance. It teaches us that true beauty doesn't shout, it whispers, that peace isn't found in escape, but in presence, and that the most luxurious thing you can experience is stillness. So breathe, look, feel. Because in Switzerland, every moment is a reminder that the world, at its best, can still be perfectly, breathtakingly beautiful. Thank you for joining this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this adventure. And until next time, find your next story.